Hi everyone, so in this video we'll be looking at exchange rates. So different countries use a different currency. We know that here in Trinidad and Tobago we use TT dollars. In Barbados they use Bajan dollars, or for when we write it we put BD dollars, Bajan dollars. Some Caribbean islands use EC dollars or Eastern Caribbean dollars, and we know that the United States use US dollars. Also, Canada has the Canadian dollar, right? So there are different currencies throughout the world. So when persons travel, they usually have to convert their local currency to the currency of the country they are traveling. So, for example, if you are going to travel from Trinidad to United States, you have to change your TT dollars to US dollars. And also in the reverse, sometimes you have some relative come to visit you in Trinidad, let's say from the States, United States, and they'll give you $100. Now you may want to change that 100 US dollars to TT dollars. So we're going to get some questions with these exchange rates and these conversion rates. So here we have a question. We're given a conversion rate for the US to the Bajan dollars. So 1 US is 2 Bajan dollars. Anna visited a bank in New York with 2,000 Bajan dollars. Remember, Bajan is Barbados. 2,000 Bajan dollars to exchange for US dollars. So now we know that 1 US dollar is 2 Bajan dollars, right? So now let's put what we want to find on the left hand side. So 2 Bajan dollars is 1 US. Always find for 1. So find how much is 1 Bajan dollar. 1 Bajan dollar will be 1 over 2. So 2,000 Bajan dollars will be the amount for 1. Just 1 over 2 times 2,000. And you will get our answer. 2,000 Bajan dollars is really 1,000 US dollars. So yes, in this case, just have to divide, right? Now let's look at another question. Alex's dad visited the United States and returned home with 534 US dollars. Alex decides to go to the bank and exchange the US dollars for TT dollars. How much TT dollars would Alex's dad receive? The conversion rate is every 1 US is $6.70 TT dollars. So, very simple this one. 1 US is $6.70. So, we already have the one for 1 US. So, 534 US dollars would be $6.70 times that $534. So, he's going to get $3,577.80 TT dollars. So, I'm going to put a little note here. Notice how in each case I find for $1 first in the currency I want to convert. So whatever currency you want to convert, find for $1 first in that currency that you want to convert. So let's look at this question here. May, June 2008. So the question says, they're giving us the conversion rate. 1 Canadian dollar is, so JA is Jamaican, right? $72.50 Jamaican dollars. On vacation in Canada, Steve used his credit card to buy a camera for 250 Canadian dollars. What is the value of the camera in Jamaican dollars? So we want to convert that cost for the camera in Canadian to Jamaican dollars. So again, remember I told you always have for 1 first and what you want to convert. We already have for 1 Canadian. 1 Canadian is $70.50. So 250 Canadian dollars would be in Jamaican dollars $70.50 and 1 for 1 times 250. So the 250 Canadian dollars is 18,125 Jamaican dollars, right? Steve's credit card limit is 30,000 Jamaican dollars. After buying the camera, how much Canadian dollars does he have on his credit card for spending? Now, his credit limit in Jamaican dollars is $30,000. He just spent $18,125 for that camera, Jamaican dollars, right? So we take that 30,000 and now we want to find out how much he has left, right? We want to find out how much he has left. You can do it 2 ways. You can do it, take the 30,000, take out how much he paid for the camera in Jamaican dollars and then convert that remainder to the Canadian dollars. Or you could do it by finding out how much really is $30,000 in Canadian. How much 30,000 Jamaican dollars is in Canadian dollars. So again, we know that $72.50 Jamaican dollars is 1 Canadian. Find for 1 first because we want to convert the 30,000 to Canadian. So 1 will be 1 over the $72.50. So $30,000 Jamaican dollars is the amount for 1 times the 30,000. And that will give us $413.79 Canadian. So $13,000 Jamaican dollars is $413.79. Right? That's his credit card limit. So his credit card limit in Canadian dollars is this amount, at $413.79. But from that, he spent $250 to purchase the camera. So we need to minus that 250 Canadian that he purchased for the camera, and we get $163.79. That is how much Canadian he has left on his credit card. Again, it's a lot of reading, understanding, pulling out the information, but by practicing, you will get the hang of it. Okay, so one last question. There's a lot to take in. So BDS dollars means Barbados dollars, right? Bajan dollars, Barbados dollars. And EC means Eastern Caribbean dollars. Karen exchanged 2,000 Barbados dollars and received 2,700 Eastern Caribbean dollars. Calculate the value of 1 Barbados dollar into Eastern Caribbean. So she exchanged $2,000 and received this amount in EC, in the Eastern Caribbean. We want to find your amount for 1, right? So your amount for 1, you put back the number that was already there, the 2,700, and we divide by 2,000. So 1 Barbados dollars is $1.35 Eastern Caribbean. Pretty simple for this one, right? Part 2, if Karen exchanged 432 Eastern Caribbean dollars for Barbados dollars, we want to know how much Barbados dollars she's going to get. So again, whatever we want to convert, have that on the left-hand side and find for 1. So we know that $1.35 Eastern Caribbean is 1 Bajan dollars. We just found that in part 1. So now, all we need to do is find out how much 1 Eastern Caribbean dollar will be. So it'll be 1 over $1.35, right? And then find for how much we want to, Eastern Caribbean we want to convert. $432. So it's basically $432 multiplied by the amount for 1, which was the 74 cents. So when she exchanged it to 432 Eastern Caribbean dollars, she gets $319.68 in Barbados dollars. Now,